Welcome to AYS Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 2 from paper May 2023 Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. We will go through the problem step by step, ensuring you understand the concepts and techniques needed to tackle similar questions. Question number 2 is a rectangular sports pitch has length x meter and width y meter, where x is greater than y. It means length is greater than width because x is the length and y is the width. Given that the perimeter of the pitch is 350 meters, the perimeter is given here. Write down an equation linking x and y. So perimeter is given. Let's use the formula for perimeter. So we know, because it's a rectangular sports, so we know that the formula for the perimeter is 2x plus 2y. Okay, and the perimeter is 350 meter. Okay, let's take 2 common. Simplify it. So divided by 2. I got here x plus y equals to 175. Okay, this is write down an equation linking x and y. So this is an equation linking x and y. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Next part says that given also that the area of the pitch is 7,350 meters squared. Write down a second equation linking x and y. So definitely area is given. I will use the formula for area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is length times width. So length times width, it means that x times y, which is xy, and area is given 7,350. It is given in a question 7,350 meters squared. Right. So in this case, what I can do, I can make x the subject, or I can substitute the value of x or y from 1. Let's make y the subject. You can make x the subject, whatever, you'll get the same answer. If I make y the subject, so I will move x to the other side, so that is 175 minus x. So that value of y, I'm going to substitute it here to get rid of 2 variables. So y is 175 minus x. The question says that write down the second equation linking x and y. Okay, so okay, B part, I think B part, I'll stop it here. So this is the answer for B part. So done, B part is done till here. Now for the C part, let's continue the C part here. The C part says that hence find the value of x and y. So to find the value of x and y, what did I do? I made y the subject, and that value of y I substituted here. Okay, so I can get the value of x and y. So now I'm going to simplify it. Okay, form it an equation. So move x squared and 175x to this side. So when I move x squared to this side, so this will be positive, minus 175x and plus 7,350 equals to 0. Okay, here I can factorize it, or I can make use here quadratic formula. It's up to you. So I have a 1, b minus 175, and c is 7,350. Right? If I use quadratic formula, so quadratic formula, or you can straight away use a calculator. In the calculator, we do have a function where we can factorize it, where we can solve the equation and directly get the answer. Okay, so minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. I'm going to substitute now. So b is minus 175, so negative 175 plus minus 175 square root of it, negative minus 4a is 1 and c is 7350 over 2 times a, and 2 times a is 1, so that is 2. Now it's time to use a calculator. I'm going to type the whole thing in a calculator. — 7350 times 4. 4 times 1 is 4, and if I multiply with it, I'll get here. Okay, now I'm going to substitute the whole thing in a calculator. So I will do one time for x for positive, and one time I will do for negative. So let's do first positive. If I type in a calculator 175 plus root 175 squared minus 4 into 7350 divided by the whole denominator 2, I got here 105, and with negative I got here 70. Okay, these are the two values of x. I can find the value of y. Y is y here is, this is y, 175 minus x. So 175 minus x, if x is 105, in this case y is 70. Alright, similarly I can do for 70. If I use for 70, I'll get here 105. And we know that in a question they said x is greater than y. Where x is greater than y. So I will take the value of x which is greater than y. So we know that x is, let me grab a pen, x is greater than y. It means if x, I will use 105 greater than 70. So it means that x is 105 and y is 70. Alright, this was question number 2, where we found the value of x and y. I hope you found this solution helpful and feel more confident tackling similar problems. If you have any question or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AYS Maths channel for more exam tips and maths tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. You can find the remaining questions from this paper in a playlist. Bye bye.